How to set up shipping rates on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Shopify. Then on the left hand side panel, you would be able to find this option of settings. Simply open up settings. And here you would be able to find this option of shipping and delivery option. Simply click on it. Then wait for it to load. Now we can create a new profile by selecting this particular option of create a new profile over here under the custom shipping rate, so we can set up rates according to our preferences and needs. Simply click on it. Then here you need to fill the product name and add your products that you have in your store. After that, come down to this particular option of shipping zones. Simply click on create a zone, and here you need to select a particular zone where you are targeting and search for the country over here and click on done. And here you can see this particular option of add rate. Simply click on it. Then here you get two different options, whether you want to use a flat rate or the carrier or app to calculate the rates. Simply select any particular rate that you want to put in. You can also provide a custom rate name like standard rate, and here you can just simply type the amount that you want to charge for it and click on done. And this way you can add the custom rates, shipping rates to be precise on the items or for any particular product in your store. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.